Months after the launch of an investigation into dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo, the Senate is now set to investigate how Guo managed to leave the Philippines. Meanwhile, lawmakers also question the whereabouts of former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque. Our Daniel Manalastas tells us more.
How was Alice Guo was able to flee the country back then? This question remained as the Senate Subcommittee on Justice and Human Rights conducted a hearing today. But the National Intelligence Coordinating Agency revealed a new possible information.
So ang ruta na kinoconsider nyo sa ngayon na pinaka-probable ng pagtakas ni Guo Huaping, which is the original specific topic ng privilege speech na dinidinig nitong subcommittee, is from Tawi-Tawi?
Yes, Your Honor. Mas marapit po ang Tawi-Tawi area. During the pandemic, medyo after ng pandemic, marami hong pinapauwi o transfer.
So sa tingin din ng BI, pinaka-probable na jump-off point ni Guo Huaping was Tawi-Tawi?
Madam Chair, yes.
However, due to the seemingly slow pace of the investigation, Senator Risa Hontiveros issued an ultimatum to the Bureau of Immigration or BI.
If no satisfactory answers on these matters are provided by the BI within 15 days, as designated chair of this subcommittee of the Committee on Justice, I will call for a revamp of the BI in the committee report of this subcommittee.
Another issue raised during the hearing is where is former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque now? The BI confirmed that Roque tried to flee to the United States.
Meron po kaming alam na pumunta rin po siya ng Japan. And hindi po siya nakaalis. Supposed to be bound for US, pero denied flight, denied check-in. So, wala rin naman hong holdings ang Japan Police or Japan Immigration. Thereafter that, wala na po kami information.
Aside from trying to go to the US, during the hearing it was also revealed that Roque was sighted in Dubai and could have also possibly gone to Singapore. Daniel Manalastas from National TV for a new and better Philippines.